What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I am Paul. In today's video, we're going to look at our winter storage solution. So let's go. All right, so here's our dilemma. Probably like a lot of other people, we have more cars than parking spots in the garage. So we want to come up with some sort of solution. Right now, the garage is just full of items. Just need to clear some space. So right now, obviously, we have DaFox up top, Troublemaker on the bottom. This is Sally's spot, who's not home, of course, at the moment. We got even the snowblowers getting in the way at times, but Marcus's Golf R, but that Sea-Doo, that really takes up a lot of space and gets in the way. And of course, we still have one more car that parks outside on the driveway. So what we're going to do is need to get this Sea-Doo and a few other items, extra wheels, and there's more wheels, and there's more items on the other side. We need to clear some of this stuff out. So at one point, we were looking at building a garage right here where this shed is. We were actually going to try to save the shed and move it over. And we actually started the process, started dealing with a contractor and got some architectural drawings done. And then COVID kicked and the price just went through the roof. So we put that on ice. That one is, that project is not dead per se, it's just on ice for now. But for this year, what we've decided to do, maybe just easier if I go right out and show you guys. It's actually raining now, so hopefully we don't get a lot of wind noise or whatnot. Anyways, what we've decided to do is we're gonna drop a container right here. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna kind of be hidden. You guys can see there's a garden bed, and once the foliage is in, you're not really gonna see a lot of it. So what I've done for now is just set a little base of some clear stone. Got about a 5-inch base, so that should do. And it's just an 8 by 20 C can coming, but I did the base a little bigger. I went 10 wide by 22 deep just to give the tow truck when they unload the C-can, so it doesn't have to be perfect, like right on the spot. So hopefully that goes well. It's supposed to be coming tomorrow. I'm looking forward to getting that in place. All right, so coming back to the garage, the plan will be we're going to move the Sea-Doo into the C-can. Marcus's car here, it's not going to be a winter driven. We still got to prep it. That's going to go up on the hoist here. I'm going to bring DaFox down. I got some work to do on it. I actually haven't even put it officially to sleep yet, so I'm a little bit behind in that regard. I was kind of spending the time prepping that base and whatnot. So the DaFox is going to come down. I'm going to put it up on the 2-post hoist, reversed in, so that the motor faces towards the garage door. And yeah, again, so the RS is going to stay here. Marcus's car is going to go there. The Fox is going to go up there. And then Sally's going to remain in her parking spot here. And then our 5th car, that will be able to go under the Mustang. So we got a little bit of work to do on DaFox, change of oil, and there's a lot of undercoating underneath that I want to clean up and tidy up. So that's a more of a practical spot to do it on the 2-post. So other than that, that's it for today. And hopefully the C-can shows up tomorrow and it drops in place perfectly. Well, we got the container showing up. So I think he's just going to back up for now, and then I'm going to show him where it's going to get dropped, and we'll go from there. All right, so we got the container in place. Really happy with that. The driver was an awesome dude. I asked him to make a few little adjustments, and he basically shifted the container over for me a little bit more. So he pulled the one corner and then the back corner, and yeah, he was a really easygoing guy, and it's worked out really well. And the container is actually pretty level. It's on, I purposely did the base on a little bit of a slope just for water runoff. So here's the resting position of the container. You can see it's kind of hidden, right? Like it's not really going to be a huge eyesore. And once these trees pull the foliage in the springtime, it's going to be, you know, kind of hidden. So that was the whole purpose. I didn't want it to be an eyesore for us or for our neighbors, and so really happy with that spot. Okay, so this is the company where we got it from. That's where Marcus works, and my longtime friend Billy. ATS Containers, for anyone local. They're going to take really good care of you. Yes, it's a used container, but this one, you know, it's still in great shape. There's no patches. They ended up putting a new door seal around from us, and Marcus got them to add this secure lock system. And here's the lock that goes with it, versus, you know, putting the locks on the levers there. So much more secure, that padlock system, whatever it's referred to. Otherwise, that's our storage solution, and I've actually left enough space on this side here. Maybe next year we're gonna pop one more right beside it.